Hello, hello. You're welcome to this video. And here today, I just want to show you step by step on how to open your brokerage account. All right, I want to make it simple for you. So here is the platform where to open your brokerage account. All right, I'm just using this as a template. So you may have any other brokerage firm you want to use. But this is one of the brokerage firms I use. And since I've been using this particular company, I am satisfied with their services. Yes. So we're going to be opening an account with them. All right. Using it as a example. But before we do that, I want you to get all this information and documents ready on your laptop, all right, before we do this account opening. So one the documents you need to get ready, I want you to save your international passport or your NIN card on your laptop. Save your NEPA bill, that's your home country NEPA bill that carries your address. And if you want to use the you know the bill electricity bill of the country where you reside presently, why not? You can do that also, so you can use it. And you need to save your passport photograph. So that's it, passport photograph. Save it on your laptop. Then have your phone number intact with you. So if you use your home country phone number, that would be great, so that you can be receiving text messages of your transactions. And another thing very important is your bank account details. So the name of your bank and your bank number. All right, your bank account number. You must have it intact. Maybe you write this down on a paper. All right, and your full name according to your means of identification, according to the ID card you're using or your international passport. Your full name must be there. And the BVN, that's the BVN attached to your bank account. Know the number, write it down somewhere. Then your email address, let it be on the paper with you. Then your e-signature, sign your signature on the paper, on the white paper, all right, and scan it on your laptop, because you will be attaching this in the brokerage firm, brokerage account you are about to open. All right. So have all this intact before we proceed into the account opening. So now let's go into the account opening. I am on the web portal of this brokerage firm named Atlas Portfolios Limited. It is one of the brokerage firms doing greatly in Nigeria. Then you cannot go to login because you don't have any account in place yet. So what you need to do is come to this area. This is open a city trader account. Right, just point your mouse towards this arrow. You will see different kind of accounts you can open: individual account, minor account, corporate account, joint account. So for you, you need an individual account. Click on it. Then it say, please wait while your request is blah blah blah. Then you wait, and you come to this place: individual account opening form. All right, individual account opening form. So you're here now. Your personal information. If you are Mrs., if you are Mister, put it. If you are Miss, if you are Master, put it. So if you are Mister, I'm using example of Mister. I have a name here, a client that should have opened his account before now. I will use his name as an example. I'm not opening it for him though, but using his name as an example. All right. So you type the name correctly. Don't be in a hurry, because this is your account that you'll be using, you know. So you have to get everything correct. So type it one after the other correctly. All right. So your first name, your middle name, you may put that the first name, yes, put it separate, and your surname, put it, put the surname. So you are the one that knows what is your first name is, what is your user. I mean your first name is, then the middle name. So you have to put each one in the box, right? So don't mix it up. And this is just an example. So once you type your name correctly, then come to the date of birth. I didn't mention that, but you know your date of birth. All right. So put your name, date of birth, come to the calendar here, and try, just pay attention. Don't be in a hurry. All right. So this is what you're going to use doing your business. So you have to make sure you do everything correctly. Don't miss anything. Right. So if you're born in the year 1907 or 2007 or whatever, so you put it there. All right. So let me just use this as an example. Gender. If you're male or female, put it. If you're married or single, put it. Then uh, CHN is not applicable. You don't have any CHN number yet. So that is a clearinghouse number. You don't have it yet. Your occupation, if you want to declare to us, let us know. All right. If you are a business person, put it. If you are working with any company, put it. All right. Maybe you are a banker. You can say you are a banker. If you are a teacher, you put it there. Mother's maiden name. Mother's maiden name. So it means you know your mother's maiden name. So you put it there. All right. Uh, Let me say ACN. ACN. So it's just example. Residential address, like I stated earlier. So you have to put your residential address in full according to what is written on your Nepal bill or electricity bill. All right. So put it correctly. So I'm just using this as an example. Like I said, opposite council secretariats. Secretariats. Benin City, Benin City, Edo State. All right. So now select employment details. If you are employed, put it. If you are self-employed, put it. If you are unemployed, put it. All right. I put this as employed. Citizenship. Citizenship. Where are you from? You know that's what it means. Yeah. So if you are from Nigeria, of course. Nigeria. Then state of origin, put your state of origin. Let me just put this man's state of origin, which is Edo, I guess. And legal, I mean the the local government area. So I don't know actually, but let me just say Benin City. All right. Then phone number. I think he gave me his phone number. So you just put it 234, then 8. You don't need to put 0 anymore. 8130442795. All right. Then email. All right. Put the email correctly. Let me get Oscar at gmail.com. All right. Just, just for the sake of, just taking you through it on how to open your account. And the bank name, let me say GT Bank, which is also called Guaranteed Trust Bank. All right. Bank number, put the bank number correctly. Type it one after the other. Don't make any mistake. Don't mix anything up. All right. Because these are data that will be linked directly to your brokerage account. right? So you don't make any mistake on all this information. Then bank name. What is the name? I mean, the what's it called? Your name in your bank. Oh, okay. So put it. Put the name according to what you gave them in your bank. All right. So then BVN. So which is very important. Type it correctly. Also type it correctly. Don't miss any any figure and don't mix anything up. Check it one after the other, type them correctly. All right. So I'm just using this as an example also. So you see, whenever I'm typing number, I'm very, very careful at that. Then come to this section of next of kin information. So is your next of kin. If you're married, then that shows your wife need to be your next of kin. And if you choose to use your child or one of your children, then you go ahead and do that. So if you're not married yet, you know who your next of kin is. So you have to put the person's name, the person's phone number, the relationship you're having with the person, the address of the person. So you have to put them one after the other. Then coming to this place, document uploads. Pay attention to it also, correct, I mean, upload them correctly. I told you initially at the beginning of this video that you should save them on your laptop. So kindly upload your valid means of ID. So you have your NIN, so you upload it here. All right. Or you have your international passport, upload it here. So that's your means of ID. Kindly upload your passport photograph, your passport photo. You have saved it on your laptop, upload it here also. Just choose from the file where you have uploaded it, I mean, saved it, then upload it. Then kindly upload your recent utility bill, the NEPA bill you have saved on your phone, on your laptop. Just choose it from the file and upload it safely. All right. So upload it. Then the signature you have signed on the paper that you have saved on your laptop, upload it also and save it here. All right. So once you have done all these, so I believe, so all these, if you save them in PDF, and the signature maybe it will come in JPG. Just make sure you save it in a format this system will accept. So once you sure that you have uploaded everything correctly, now come to the declaration that then you put your full name here. You put it, you declared that you support, you accept every terms and condition of you opening this account. Then they said that I agree that, okay, yeah. Then full name, put your full name again here, the date, which is the date you're opening this account. How did you hear about us? So if you want to tell them how you heard about them, put it. So it may be a referral, you can put my name. All right, you know my name, Abayomi Michael Bamidele. You can put my name here. Then you come to this green button, which shows submit. Then you click submit. That is all. So once you submit it, it will bring an information out to let you know that if it is successful or not. If it shows successful, then congratulations to you. You have done your part. Then you just wait for them to send you an email. Remember, you put your email, which has to be a very correct one. All right. So your email must be correctly spelled out. So they will send you an email maybe in 3 days or 5 days, working days. I mean, working days. So they will send you an email which will show your login details. And from there, we're going to take it further. I hope you enjoy this step by step opening of your brokerage account. Thank you so much. God bless you. See you next time.